Hi, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon tuloy natin yung topic natin na polynomial. This time meron tayong multiplication of polynomials. Paano ba tayo mag-multiply ng polynomials? For example, meron tayo dito, multiply 2a squared minus 3ab plus b squared by a squared plus 2ab minus 5b squared. So, i-multiply natin itong dalawang expression na to. 2a squared minus 3ab plus b squared by a squared plus 2ab minus 5b squared. So, we have here a squared times 2a squared, that is 2a to the fourth. So, yung power ina-add natin, okay? Kapag nagmumultiply. A squared times negative 3ab, that is negative 3a cubed b. A and a squared, that is a cubed. Okay? So, a squared times b squared, that is a squared b squared. Okay? So, tapos na tayo sa a squared. Doon naman tayo sa second term. 2ab times 2a squared. That is 4a cubed b. A and a squared, so meron tayong a cubed b. And then 2ab times negative 3ab. Ang sagot ay positive times negative is negative. So, we have here negative 6a squared b squared. Okay? 2ab times b squared. Okay? So, we have here 2ab cubed. b squared and b. So, we have here b cubed. Okay? Tapos na tayo sa 2ab. Negative 5b squared times 2a squared. Ang sagot, negative 10a squared b squared. Okay? Negative 5b squared times negative 3ab. Negative and negative, so we have positive 15ab cubed. Nakuha? And then, negative 5b squared times b squared. That is negative 5b to the fourth. Okay. And then, i-add lang natin sila. Baba natin yung 2a to the fourth. And then, negative 3a cubed b plus 4a cubed b, that is positive a cubed b. Okay? Positive a squared b squared plus negative 6a squared b squared plus negative 10a squared b squared, that is dalawang negative, negative 16 yun. Babawasan natin ng isang a squared, so you have negative 15a squared b squared. Nakuha? And then 2ab cubed plus 15ab cubed. That is 17ab cubed. And then, negative 5b to the fourth, ibaba lang natin. So, ang final answer natin ay 2a squared plus a cubed b minus 15a squared b squared plus 17ab cubed minus 5b raised to 4. Okay? Second example natin, multiply 3x squared plus 6x minus 5 by x plus 7. So, we have here three terms. This is trinomial to be multiplied by x plus 7, which is a binomial. I-multiply natin yung dalawang expression na ito. Okay? So, x times 3x squared, that is 3x cubed. Yan. X times 6x, that is 6x squared. X times negative 5, negative 5x. 7 times 3x squared is 21x squared. 7 times 6x is positive 42x. And 7 times negative 5, negative 35. Okay? So, i-add lang natin sila. Tama? So, baba natin yung 3x cubed. 3x cubed. 6 and 21, meron tayong 27x squared. Negative 5x plus 42, that is positive 37x minus 35. Okay. So, for us to check if tama yung ating sagot, substitute tayo. Let x be equal to 2. Okay. So, tingnan natin. If this is 2, then this will become 2 squared. Tama? So, 2 squared, that is 4 times 3. This will become 12. 6 times 2, that is also 12. So, 12 plus 12, 24, minus 5, This is 19. And this is 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. And 19 times 9, that is equal to, this must be, ang sagot dapat dito ay 171. Okay. 19 times 9 is 171. So, dapat pag sinubstitute natin si x, which is 2, dito sa ating expression, palitan natin lahat ng x, dapat ang lumabas ay 171. Okay? So, kapag 171 ang lumabas, na-check natin. This is the right answer. This will become 3 times 2 cube. Okay? Plus 27 times 2 squared plus 37 times 2 minus 35. Okay? So, yung 2 cube, that is 8. 8 times 3, ito ay 24. 57. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 27, ilan yun? 27 times 4 is 108. 108. 37 times 2, that is 74. This is 74. Okay. 24 plus 108 plus 74 minus 35, that is equal to 171. So, etong sagot natin ay tama. Okay. Thank you.